Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to Learn English with Sial. Today we will discuss the lecture, very important lecture, mean adjective used as a noun. So most of the confusions are over there when the peoples are going to just attempt the PPSC exams, FPSC exams, or the NTS and CAT and etc. etc. So they find this one very difficult. I mean, this portion is too difficult to them because they don't have the major concepts to clear out theirs and just tick the marks on the correct option. So let's start our today topics, mean how the adjectives can use as a nouns and how the adjectives form as a nouns over there. So the first option is here that as plural nouns denoting a class of person, for example, the rich people, no, not how means that the poor people live like the wicked peoples, and these are the something we can use just denoting towards the nouns, like as a blessed from blessed are the weak, like that, and as a singular nouns denoting some abstract quality, for example, futures or futurity, like as for example, he is a lover of the beautiful, so beauty in general but beautiful we can say. So some adjective actually become nouns, are hence used in both of the numbers, mean the adjective and the nouns, both of these all. Like first one is the derived from the proper noun, for example, Australia, Canada, Italy, like this, or Pakistan. So Pakistani is Australians, Canadians, like this. So some denoting persons like as juniors, seniors, mortals, inferiors, and a few denoting things generally like as secret, total, liquid, solids, like these are. So some adjectives are used as noun only in plurals as sweets, bitters, valuables, like eatables. Same like is here, like the blessed or the meek, and here next time I will charge you. So in this one, for example, certain phrases we will use adjective as a noun, for example, in general, in futures, in short, in secret, before long, at present, for good, at best, through thick and thin. These all are the examples in the phrases, just like the long and the short, like bad and the words, right and wrong, these all things. So in future I shall charge you for medical advice. The person just is going to inform the other person that I will charge you in future for the medical advice. In short, we know nothing. In negotiations, work carried on in streets, I shall see you before the long, like these are the some instances and phrases where we have to use these all things one by one. So nouns are used as adjective, for example, sometimes the things are going alter in our situations, mean first we use adjective as a noun, then we use noun as an adjective. For example, I met a little cottage girl. So some common thing is like a girl and cottage, like this, and then he is always playing computer games. So computer games, we also know that this one is something as known to adjective things. Thank you so much for this lecture. Inshallah, we will just meet in the next positions of adjectives in some sentences.